Hi, my name is Galvin from VAuG Automotive Group. First of all, please allow me to wish you a Happy New Year. Okay, so in our previous video series, we talked about new car sales and its processes. We also talked about vehicle leasing and its advantages. So in this new series, please allow me to introduce to you the foundation of VAuG Automotive Group. That is our workshop and its related services. Please allow me to share with you how VAuG Automotive Group came about. So in 1987, my father, Mr. Vincent Kong, started off a small workshop called VAuG Auto under sole proprietorship. So at that time, he was focusing mainly on car repairs and car insurance claims, having a small, humble workshop in the corner of Sin Ming. After 31 years, we have since expanded our services to include vehicle rental and leasing, new car sales, sales of vehicle insurance, as well as in-house vehicle financing. So all of this has been made possible because of the workshop that we started off 31 years ago. So in the following videos, please allow me to introduce to you the various services that our workshop provides and why you should consider VAuG Automotive Group. See you in the next video.